Cyrus, Darius and Brenda are together and they are going to do amazing challenge, and the idea of this challenge is Cyrus and Brenda, and Darius thinks it is crazy to do a challenge during pregnancy. And in this challenge Cyrus wants to surprise Darius, and Cyrus tells Dad the surprise stuff is upstairs, and Cyrus and Brenda will go upstairs to get the surprise stuff. And Darius will take care of Kaio, and then Darius picks Kaio up, and Darius is very excited to see the surprise, and Darius and Kaio are waiting for the surprise. And Darius is making guesses about the surprise, that what could be in the surprise. And then suddenly there is a sound of falling from the stairs, and it is seen that Brenda has slipped and fallen from the stairs. And Cyrus is very worried, and Brenda is in a lot of pain, and Darius is also shocked, and Brenda's back is hurting, and it becomes difficult for Brenda to move. And Darius is very shocked to see Brenda's condition, and Cyrus is comforting Brenda, and then Cyrus tries to lift Brenda very carefully, and Brenda is made to sit on the sofa very comfortably. And Brenda is having a lot of pain in her back, and then some frozen ice is also brought for Brenda's back. And Darius brings a pillow, and then the pillow and frozen ice are placed behind Brenda's back. And then it turns out that once Darius also slipped and fell down the stairs, and Cyrus hopes that nothing happened to Brenda and Baby, and Cyrus wants to take Brenda to the doctor, and Baby is kicking in Brenda's belly, and Cyrus tells Darius to find Brenda medicine, and Darius is looking for medicine in the kitchen, and Darius is also very worried about Brenda. And then Darius finds the medicine in the bag, but it is the wrong medicine, and Darius puts it back in the bag, and then Brenda is given the medicine with water, and Brenda takes the medicine, and Brenda gets some rest, and Darius is worried thinking about how many stairs Brenda has slipped. And then Darius comes outside, and Darius is feeling very bad for Brenda, and Darius hopes that Brenda and the baby are fine, and it is seen that Brenda's back pain is gone, and Brenda is feeling fine. And then Cyrus sends Darius upstairs to get the surprise, but Darius finds nothing in the room upstairs, and then Cyrus and Brenda reveal the prank, and Cyrus tells that Brenda pretended to fall down the stairs, and according to Cyrus, Brenda is fine. And Darius comes to know about this prank. He is surprised, and Darius never expected that Cyrus and Brenda could pull off such a unique prank.